Hey guys, Tom with BuyMeAniPhone.com back at you with another Mac Monday. Okay, and if you watched last week's Mac Monday, you know that we reviewed the Mozy online backup for your Mac and PC. Now today we're going to be reviewing the Carbonite backup system. Now Carbonite has two special clients, one for PC and one for Mac. We're going to be reviewing the client for Mac today, but it's about the same as PC. You know, it's just specially designed for Mac. So if you go to Carbonite's website, you go to carbonite.com, and you'll see the Carbonite homepage. Okay, now if you see here, click Now for Mac. Okay, you'll go to the Mac page. So can you survive a computer disaster? So basically, guys, so for data protection, for $54.95 a year, Carbonite will back up all your files. Okay, and it'll do it automatically, so you don't have to do it. You don't have to worry about setting it up to back up on a specific day. It automatically backs up whenever files change on your Mac. So I'm going to kind of show you a little bit about that and kind of go from there. First, what you do is you sign up for your free trial. You have a 15-day free trial, okay, and then what you'll have to do is you'll have to purchase your $54.95 a year, which is really, pretty affordable. Now, guys, I use Time Machine. I have two 500 gigabyte external hard drive. One backs up my Mac, one backs up my laptop, and I have my iMac that is backed up through Carbonite. Okay, that way, in case, God forbid, there's a natural disaster, like I said last week, then I'll have some place that is off-site that I'll be able to retrieve all my information. Okay? So what you do is you sign up and you download the Carbonite client. Okay, and you'll see right up here in the upper left-hand corner, guys. Okay, you'll see the Carbonite, okay, and that will be also in your system preferences. Okay, as you can see, here is the Carbonite icon. So there's two ways that you can get to the Carbonite preferences. You can either go to System Preferences and open Carbonite, or you can simply go to the Carbonite icon up here in the I guess it's the toolbar up at the top, and say Open Carbonite Preferences. Now, as you can see, guys, my backup is in progress. Awaiting backup is 1.93 kilobytes, one file. And on this page, there's three tabs. There's a status, a backup, and a restore tab. This is the status page. So it tells you what is going on in your backup. You can use low priority mode to conserve bandwidth if you're uploading or if you're on Blog TV or something like that. And here you can show Carbonite status icon in the menu bar, which I do. Okay, here is my account, so you can open your account. My account expires on January 29th, 2010. Okay, if you refer a friend, you get free months. You'll have to do the research on that. Now, backup is enabled right now, and then I can put it in pause, I can go in recover mode, or I can disable Carbonite altogether. Now, why would you pause or disable or put in recover mode Carbonite? I pause Carbonite if we're doing Blog TV. I don't want the bandwidth being hogged up when I'm on Blog TV, because this does upload. Disable and recover mode. Obviously, recover mode is if you need to recover some lost files, and you can disable also. So what I do is I pause it when I go into Blog TV, and I pause it when I decide to back up with my Time Machine, because as I mentioned before, okay, Mozy doesn't play well with Time Machine. Carbonite sometimes doesn't either. So, but anyway, what I'll do is I'll pause it, I'll back up to my Time Machine, and then I'll start this again. Okay, then you have your backup. Okay, and what I really like about the Carbonite user interface is you can back up or not back up certain files. Remember last week in Mozy, you can either back up your movie file or you cannot back up your movie file. So you're either backing up all your movies or you're backing up none of your movies. Now here in Carbonite, okay, for example, if you do your pictures, you can decide what is being backed up. Now, Carbonite will not back up whatever is in here. So here's a couple of movies that I already have on DVD that I'm not going to back up to Carbonite because, A, it takes a long time. Again, you usually get about 2 gigabytes per day upload speed. Okay? And really, I don't need these. If something happens to them, I have always got the DVD, so I don't do those. So here you can manually manage your backup, okay? And here you'll see little dots, okay, which green will say is backed up. Green dot with a hole in the middle is partially selected for backup. Yellow is scheduled for backup, and red will not be backed up. Okay, and Carbonite does not back up applications or operating system files. So if you go into your hard drive, see applications and developer is not being backed up. User, okay, so that means this yellow dot means that there's files in this user folder scheduled for backup. Okay, I'm going to go to Mafia family, and here is my desktop, my documents, my downloads, my library, so on and so forth. So as you can see, my library, music, and pictures, there are files that are scheduled for backup. So if I go into my iPhoto library, I can see what is scheduled for backup. Okay, so here is my iPod photo cache. Okay, the photo database is scheduled for backup. Okay. And then if I go back this way and I go into my library, you can see what is scheduled for backup here, my calendar. And if I go into music, okay, I can always also see what is scheduled for backup there. So obviously I've made some changes to my iTunes library. Okay, documents, okay, all these are backed up. Okay, so all my documents. So for example, let's go into my resumes. Okay, all my resumes are backed up. So, and you can automatically say, hey, back this up. You can do it immediately. Also, guys, you can decide what's not to back up. What not to back up. Okay, so I can say, let's go into users. Let's go in here. Let's go into desktop. I can decide do not back this up, which is really nice. So when I go into my movies, I can say, I don't want to back up, whatever. Okay, instead of just either my movies are backed up or my movies aren't backed up like Mosey. Okay, and the Restore tab, okay, use this panel to browse the files in your backup and select your files to restore. So for example, if you deleted something that you need back, okay, you can go back and delete and restore a certain file, a certain folder. You can restore the whole thing. So say you get a new Mac, you need to restore your whole system. You can just say restore entire system, restore files on the original location on disk, or you can choose another location. You can get information. Here's a restore assistant in case you need some help. Okay, so you can click restore assistant. Okay, do you want a restore assistant to restore all of your files? No, I'll do it later. Okay, so that is the restore button. Okay, guys, so the user interface is really, really nice, but that's kind of Carbonite. Okay, unlimited space, it encrypts all your stuff. Okay, again, guys, to back up your system initially, it's probably going to take about 2 weeks, depending on how much stuff you have. I had about 40 gigabytes of information, and my upload speed gets me somewhere from 2 to 3 gigabytes per day. Okay, because upload speed, upload speed is not kind of where it's at in the United States. It's maybe a gig a day, So I get about 2 to 3 gigs a day. Carbonite online 3-year subscription is $129, so you're saving about 20 bucks. 1-year subscription is $54.95. And guys, they have this enter offer code. If you do a search on the internet, you can always find 10% off or 2 months free when you buy a year, so on and so forth. All right, guys, so that is Carbonite. Okay, and again, they have Carbonite for Mac and they have Carbonite for PCs. Okay, it doesn't go cross-platform, but they have 2 different clients, one for PC, one for Mac. I have also used the PC version in the past. Okay, I like that version also, and now I'm using the Mac version. So I've been pretty happy with it. I hope this helped you out the last 2 Mac Mondays if you're looking for an online backup system. Okay, I truly believe wholeheartedly not only should you back up on-site, but you should back off-site also. Okay, better safe than sorry. If I had to choose one, and I think I'm going to choose one to put on both, I think I'm going to go with Carbonite. Okay, I just like that a little bit better. All right, guys. Well, thanks for watching. Hope this helped you out. This is Tom from BuyMeAniPhone.com, and we'll talk to you later on in the week. Have a great day.